All right, so we're going to do some Gizmos. Gizmos is our online virtual labs. So we can't do physical science labs, but we have virtual labs through Gizmos. We've had these for like at least the last 3 years. I know the middle school use Gizmos as well. It's nice. So what you would do is go into Clever. If you don't see it, I would just go up here and search Clever and start doing GIZ. Then you should see it pop up. Gizmos, rostering, Gizmos, or whatever. But it's sky blue with a white G, and it says Gizmos. So click on that. You have to go in through Clever, please. Click on your class, whatever class you're in. So the two that I added is cell structure and cell division. Earlier this quarter, we did cell types. Okay. Ignore these four. These four, they're from first quarter. First quarter is over. I will not be putting in grades for first quarter. Why? Because first quarter is over. So ignore these first four and go ahead and make sure you completed your cell types. Cell structure, cell division, I just added today. So let's go over that really quickly. Let's launch it. All right, so cell structure is pretending like you have some type of petri dish and some samples that you're going to put maybe under a microscope, and you can zoom in and zoom out. You have to put probably the sample on the slide, and then you put like I forget what this is called. Miss Hasser might know. The little the covering on top of the sample, which is on top of the slide that you put inside the microscope, which is all really cool. So hopefully one day you guys will actually be able to use a microscope because it's really cool. Um, Anywho, so I clicked where it says sample. It says cell membrane or protective lipid bilayer surrounding each cell. It regulates what enters and leaves the cell. So it's kind of like the security, right? It regulates what goes in and out of the cell. And it says animal. So then let's click plant. Sample. Cell membrane. Same thing. So looks like plant cell and animal cell both have a cell membrane. Okay. Can you zoom in? Ooh, zoom in some more. That's I don't know why I got scared. But it points to arrow. It's literally this outer like outline is the cell membrane. Ooh, they have all these other things. Nucleus, that's the kind of like the brain of a cell. It says found inside the nucleus. This organelle contains RNA and synthesizes ribosomes. Nucleus, does the plant have a nucleus? Let's see. It does. It's located right there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. So yeah, so that is the nucleus. It's kind of like the brain of the cell. She's not here right now. Mm-mm. All right. Let's see. So that's that. So then you will answer the questions. This one says, which of the following is mitochondrion? Mitochondrion. So then you would find mitochondrion, hit, oh, it looks like it's pointing to this. Let me zoom out a little bit. Looks like it's pointing to that in the plant cell. Let's see what it looks like in the animal cell, mitochondria. Oh, same thing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oops, I went the wrong way. Okay, here we go. Looks like that. So the answer would be B for mitochondrion. So you would just do this cell structure lab and complete all 5 questions. All right. Our second lab for this week is cell division. Yes, yes, yes. Please do both labs before Friday. There's only 5 questions. It's okay. And these are fairly easy labs. Basically, all you do is just click on the sample. All right, this one, let's analyze this one. It says simulation 0 hours. The simulation is not running. Magnify cycle length 12 hours. I can click where it says magnify. I can unclick it or click it. Description, cell division. Looks like I have a cell that's being broken up into 2 cells and duplicating. Um, Looks like I can play something. Can I play it? Oh, there it is. Ooh, 2 cells. Oh my gosh, now it's 4 cells. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cool. Oh, okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, let's stop that. We got a table. Did it record the data? Oh yes, it recorded the data. It tells you how many cells after how many hours and what phase it's in, and gives you a bar chart. A bar chart. What's a bar chart? A bar chart. It gives you show numericals. Okay, you can click on that. It gives you a graph. Yeah. Zoom in on the graph, maybe? No? Oh, okay. There's another view of the graph. So you can see where it would project it to go after 100 hours. So you would answer these questions, okay? So this one says, place the 4 images from the cell cycle in the correct chronological order. Okay. Image A, D, B, or C. So I guess you have to put it in order from, so let's do this. Let's start over. Start over. So it looks like it starts off looking like this. Ooh. Okay. Then let me hit play. So how do I see hum? So if it starts off like this, then it looks like this with the 2 blue and the 2 red. So this is how it starts, which is C. Then it's the B. Then what happens? Then they kind of split apart, which is A. Then they start going their own merry way, which is D. C, B, A, D should be the answer, according to this cycle. All right, so I'll give you some time to do these labs. You have to answer all 5 questions to the best of your ability. Once you get finished with that, then you'll have 2 more science grades. So do the best you can. All right, bye.